I think the first round of applause to the graduates of the day, right? Do they deserve this or do they deserve more than this? More than this. The first thing that a graduate student thinks on this day is, what should be my attitude when I move out to this world? How do I approach the world from today? And we all thought of an answer to that. We move on. Can we really? हम पे किसका जोर? We are the children of God and we are all fearless. उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर. Opportunities for us are now everywhere. इरादे हैं फौलादी, हिम्मती हर कदम. Our aims are high and we are full of zeal. अपने हाथों किस्मत लिखने आज चले हैं हम. From today we are going to write our own destiny, and that's the ISBR students for the world, ladies and gentlemen. When you move out to this world with this attitude, I have just 3 pieces of advice for you. And before I move to those 3 pieces of advice, I think the first thing that we have done is dedicated this convocation day to all our teachers. Our teachers are our parents, our teachers are our friends, our teachers are our well-wishers, our teachers are the people who have taught us. So let's truly, out of the hearts, out of our souls, dedicate this to all the teachers that who have taught us. Thank you everyone. When we start a new journey, the first thing that we as Indians do is bow down to the feet of all the well-wishers and takes their blessings. Do we do that? And all those who bless us are equivalent to God. And we today have all the members on the dais. We today have guests from industry, guests from all the other places who have come to see that. They bless us when we start our journey to this world. So we would be wrong if we don't acknowledge their presence today. So to all of you who are present here, this is for you from everyone at ISBR Business School. I move on to the first advice, and the advice is in a form of a small story. There was once a farmer who built corns, and for the corns that he built, he got awards. The first time he got awards, and consequently 4 times he got award for the quality of the corns that he built. An interviewer, a media person, went and interviewed this man and asked this farmer, what's the reason behind this great corns that you make? And the answer that he gave made the media person astonished, surprised. He said, I share my seeds with my neighbors of the field. He was shocked. Hey, how's that? If you do that, then tomorrow they are going to compete with you. And he said, that's not true. What happens is, when I share my seeds with my neighboring fields, and tomorrow once we have all put the seeds, winds blows, cross-pollination happens, and if their seeds were of low quality, then my good quality seeds with their low quality seeds would not have given the right corns that we give today. But because the quality of the seeds they are getting are equivalent to what the seeds I am using, finally my corns are the best. Now that's the lesson to all of us. If India needs to be at peace, I need to see that my neighbors are at peace. If my state wants to be at peace, I need to see that all my neighboring states are at peace. If you wish to live peacefully in all your corporates, in your firms, whatever it is, make it a point that you make a smile in all the people that come across you. And that's my first advice to each one of you. Smile, and creates innumerable smiles in and along your path of success. We'll do it? A loud yes. That's ISBR for you, my guests of the day. The second advice to each one of you is, I have a 5-year-old son, Sanat, he comes home from his school, and when he comes home, he has a star on his hand, and he says, my teacher has given me this star. I need a chocolate. And why that chocolate for? He wants to celebrate that star which his teacher, UKG teacher, has marked on his hand. And he moves along in the house, running about that whole day, and when I go home tired, he comes running like this, Daddy, 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 I have got a star. He celebrates it throughout. Sometimes he even asks, take me to Amoeba for this. I say, what's this, man? But I'm sure each one of us, each one of you did it when you were young. Have you not done it? And as days goes by and we come to a completion of a 10th, we forget that celebration and we look at the PUC that we need to do, commerce or science. Once we do a PUC, we look at all the botherations on doing a BTech, BCom, BE, hundreds of things to go ahead in our journey. And once you do your MBA, your jobs, your works, makes you so tough in life that you forget to celebrate. So the second advice that I would like to give you is, the day in your life you have not celebrated is the day you have just marked it in your calendar and you have not lived life. The only day that you have lived life is the day you have celebrated. So celebrate, my friends. It's your life. It's just one life you get. Celebrate with all the people who come across your life and share your happiness with them. That's my second advice. My third advice to each one of my dear and dearmost students is, how many of you watch FIFA? Wow. Wow, great hands coming up. We all watch FIFA. FIFA. World Cup football, FIFA. I was watching one of the matches and I realized something. It was a knockout matches of the 16 teams. There was a match between Argentina and Switzerland. Recall. Argentina and Switzerland. The first 90 minutes, you see, there was no goal. The first 90 minutes, Argentina was 0 and Switzerland was 0. They got extra time. Somehow Messi managed to get the ball at his end, and from the midfield, he takes the ball towards the goalkeeper. He looked at the goalkeeper and he knew it that I have 70% chance to hit the goal. He immediately looked to his right. He has his colleague next to him. Can you name him? Lovely. He passes on the ball to that man, and the next colleague of his hits the goal. Now, why did he pass on the ball to his next colleague? He could have done the goal himself. He could have taken the credit with him. But he knew that if he passes on the ball, there was 90% chance of his making the goal. Now, here's the next advice to each one of you. Before we move ahead, let us take a 15-second video of that goal that happened on that day to all those who missed at midnight. That's the goal. The final score of that match was 1-0. Argentina made it to the semi-finals, and now they are in the. Now that's the difference one goal could make. So my advice to you at this point of time is, you can reach success, but when you reach success at the top, you decide, are you going to be alone there with heaps of people struggling below you, or you are going to stand at the unit of success, at the pinnacle of success, with a team of people next to you supporting your success. Now that's what this man did. He worked in a team. And let me tell you, all the other people who are present here, right from the day these students come to ISBR Business School, they are taught teamwork. And this is the team to the world. They deserve it. I would like to end with a very short note to let you know that respect every creation of God. There is nothing of no value in life. All that you see, meet, interact has a value attached to it. And to show this, I would like to end with a very small video which shows how innovation can do great things in life. I end with a video that has been viral over WhatsApp in the last few months. Watch this video. Amazing.
Transgenders, better known as Hijras in India, are not like their counterparts elsewhere in the world. Indians consider them sacred, touched by God. Their blessings are auspicious and generally accompanied by their signature clapping. They are often invited to bless newborns and newlyweds. In fact, most Hijras make their living by exchanging blessings for cash at traffic signals. With the help of Hijras, we wanted to educate reckless motorists about a very basic safety procedure they constantly ignored.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, अटेंशन प्लीज। अगर पायलट के जैसे गाड़ी चला रहे हो तो पायलट के जैसा सेफ्टी भी चाहिए। तेरी गाड़ी में ऑक्सीजन मास्क नहीं है, कुर्सी के नीचे लाइफ जैकेट नहीं है, मगर सीट बेल्ट तो है, तो पहना क्यों नहीं रे? मैं सिखा दूं क्या? इधर से बेल्ट ले लो और अपने बॉडी के सामने से खींचो और जांघों के बाजू में ऐसा फिट कर लो। जब तक क्लिक नहीं सुनाई दे, इतना गोरा गोरा मुंह एक्सीडेंट के बाद अच्छा नहीं लगेगा। ए नॉटी गर्ल, तेरे बॉयफ्रेंड को बोल दे सीट बेल्ट ऐसा पहनने का। ए चिकना माल, वीडियो मत ले, सीट बेल्ट लगा, सीट बेल्ट पहनो, दुआ ले लो।
I just want my students that when they go out to the world, they are not like any other MBA students. They are going to be different. And I end with the same words, with the same attitude with which I started my talk, and that's going to be your attitude from today. बंदे हैं हम उसके, हम पर किसका जोर, उम्मीदों के सूरज निकले चारों ओर, इरादे है फौलाती, हिम्मती हर कदम, अपने हाथों किस्मत लिखने आज चले हैं हम. Go out, conquer the world, my students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.